Today we're about to install a steering wheel, but we're trying to figure out how to place this hub on there while trying to connect all the wires together. But I think we're gonna end up not using the horn wires at all. Straight eBay steering wheel and straight eBay hub. I think got it for like 50 bucks.
$55.99. This is never going back on. See, yeah, this is weird. That's another reason why we use that. This how you do it. There we go.
Good job, SpongeBob. I need to do my brakes because I think when I crashed yesterday, I think it ate all my brake pad because it was Star's fault.
What the?
Watch this leather last like 2 days.
What last 2 days?
This leather.
Oh, that's genuine. Oh, is it gonna stay aligned though?
Basically, if it looks like this, then it's perfect. Are your steering wheels, is your hairline straight? Is your wheel straight?
Yeah.
So what you gonna buy me to eat?
Huh?
What you gonna buy me to eat?
I'm broke.
You said Chipotle?
I said I'm broke.
You said some Mexican food?
I wouldn't step foot in there.
Hey. Alright, FYI,
What?
you're gonna be doing this.
Chill.
The inner part.
How?
I don't know how to do that.
Me either.
Your expertise.
We need a thingy. We need something long.
I got you.
What the We gonna figure this shit out.
That was
Either a 240 or a goddamn.
no, it was an RX-7, yeah.
Said it first.
So you're just gonna rip this off?
Maybe. I need to see how it shit is first.
Straight eBay.
You remember where a
Yeah, it's a
drift car? This is a drift car, right?
rally car.
Oh yeah.
It's a rally into people.
Hey. Took forever and we had to put in my new quick release steering wheel, shitty ass, cheap ass steering wheel from eBay.
Alright, took about 5 hours, but we got it.
Yep.
I got it.
Aye.
Took about 5 hours, but I got it.
Aye.
On my Mustang.
Oh hell no. What?
My Allen,
Where? Center console. No, it is not in no fucking center console. Oh, this is the center console. I'm tripping. Here you go. Yep. So about this? Yeah. Let's just take a look at this fine interior. Just install this radio. Like, that's really. Been ordered this shit from her.
Talk louder.
Got that from American Muscle.
Rice.com.
American Muscle, boy.
Alright, now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Yeah, don't take this off on the highway. Okay, there it's on. Oh shit! It's aligned! Oh shit!
Really? Hey, don't move it, don't move it. Don't move. Don't fucking move. That means take your damn hands off. Oh man. I don't like that.
Hold on. Oh yeah, we didn't tighten the nut. Oh shit. Yeah, but guess what? Forgot the main thing.
The horn?
No, the center little big ass bolt in here, remember?
You tighten that up? Oh
Yeah.
my god. Alright, well, can he drive it?
No, it would be recording our Pornhub video.
What?
Alright, take my dick.
Whoa, whoa.
The guy like, whoa, that's a can.
Yeah, that's some Mexican stuff right there. See, us black people, we don't know nothing about that.
fits. Damn, there's still a little play. What if?
Hey.
What if it just snaps off?
Hey.
Young rice car driver.
It's tilted.
It's tilted. That's him going straight.
The car feels smaller. The steering wheel is smaller.
Alright, so it turns out the steering wheels from eBay aren't very good. Time to take it off.
Let's get a close up on this bad boy.
What the fuck?
Close up on you. Oh.
The reason why we're returning it, this hub is supposed to be off-centered, but it's not, and so it's going to be crooked either way we put it. And it's also cheap, and the hub wiggles a lot. So it's just eBay junk. We would definitely not recommend HBK Sports, especially when their boxes come in Japanese letters.
Chance the Rapper, Caleb,
Alright, let's see this shit explode. Why are you leaning? Yes. Kaboom. Now I think you should disconnect the battery so you can just completely pop it in there. Or you can shock yourself, so be. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
You got me fucked up, man. Lefty loosey.
See?
Alright.
Heard that?
Yes, I did.
Fake hood scoops by Ford. Can't be a race car driver with eBay parts.